Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will learn how to create courses. Courses are suitable for one-off events or something that happens irregularly. Courses are a specific price and all clients who register must register for the entire duration. Drop-ins are not eligible. So let's get started. First, let's navigate to the Manage tab and then to the Courses tab. From here, you can click on the blue Add button in the top right-hand corner. This will then show the Create Your New Course slide-out page. As you can see, there's a lot of information in the Details section. You will need to fill out each section in order to optimize your setup. First up, we've got to name our course. Try to keep this short to ensure readability on the app. Next, we have the description. This is where you can put in a lot more information about your course. Items we see working well here are location description, rules for the course, and what your client can expect to learn in the course. For the image, please make sure it's less than 1 megabyte and 1000 pixels in height and width. For the facility, if you have more than one facility in your gym, please make sure you select a facility where the course is being held. And next up, we have the trainer. You can select more than one here, but please ensure your trainers have been assigned to the correct course they are teaching. Next, we have the price and eligibility section. This is where you put a price on the course and choose who can attend the course. For single price, this will mean you can bulk allow all your members to attend the course, and it will mean that it's the same price for all these members. Alternatively, we have different prices. This will allow you to restrict access to the course for different memberships or apply different pricing for each member. For example, I can say that I want the unlimited monthly to be $100 and non-members or drop-ins to be $120 to book the course. Finally, we have the advanced settings on this page. This option will allow you to make the course private. So next up, we want to set the schedule for our course. Simply click on the grey plus button to add your course. As you can see, while the details section for the course was very similar to the classes setup, you can see that the schedule section is very different. First, you will need to set your course dates. This is the duration of time your course is running. If it is just one day, then set the start and end date to the same day. If it is longer, you can change this appropriately here. Once your duration is set, you will need to set the days on which the course will be running, like so. Next up, you can set the capacity for the course. Add some extra details in the name section next. If this is left blank, it will auto-populate as for everyone, as you can see. Finally, set the time schedule for each day that the course is scheduled to run. You can customize the location or trainer for each time slot by clicking on the cog or gear icon here. You can also add another time slot for the same day by clicking on the blue plus icon like so. You can easily clone your schedule if you decide to run this course on an ongoing basis. All you need to do is click the clone button and then edit the course dates. Alternatively, you can click on the plus icon here if you want to add a brand new course on different days. You should now be confident in setting up your courses. If you do have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. This concludes our videos on classes and courses. In our next set of videos, we are going to look at your members and how to set them up with a profile, membership, and book them into events. Click next to learn how to set up your member profile.